Hi there. In this short video, I'll go through just how easy it is to personalize and edit your dashboards in Dear Lucy. We're looking here at our sales forecast dashboard, and what I want to do is add a few more forecasting metrics as well as change the look and feel a bit of this dashboard to make it a bit nicer. So I press the pen button in the bottom right corner. This brings me to the background of this particular dashboard, and we can see here my pipeline-based forecast as well as our text widget that we have here as well. So first thing I want to do is to add a few more metrics. So I'm going to look here for our activity-based forecast. Just type in forecast and we have, here we have it, perfect. You can see it ends up in this gray striped area here, which means it currently doesn't fit to the dashboard. So I'm going to have to resize this a bit. And overall I want to change the layout a bit, so I'm going to move this around as well and make it a bit bigger. Then we might want to have something about our offer base and what it looks like for the future. So offer base by expected close date, perfect. Gonna add that as well, make it a bit bigger. I also want to see something about our scheduled activities. So let's look that up. Scheduled activities next 30 days, perfect. And I take that up here, again make it bigger. And last widget, perhaps our projected value of those scheduled activities. So current projected value of our scheduled activities, add that as well. Okay, cool. Now we have a lot of nice forecasting metrics here. I want to save the layout of this. I think I have all I need. But like I said, I also want to change the look and feel a bit. So I'm going to change the color theme to black. Then we're going to have a nicer picture of a Helsinki cathedral as well. So I'm changing that. I uploaded that just recently to our environment and pressed save. Okay, last but not least, I want to also add a salesperson drop-down menu filter here so I can see the forecast per person as well. Just press add here. Okay, we're all done, so I'm going to go back to have a look at our new dashboard. Beautiful. All right, it seems that forecasting is working. Our activity-based forecast seems to be about 50K higher than our pipeline-based forecast, so that's interesting to know. Let's just check that the salesperson filter works as well. It does. Okay, great. This shows you hopefully how you can personalize your dashboards in Dear Lucy really quickly. But please don't hesitate to get in touch if you need more assistance with this. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.